Right, so I'm showing you Bastion Paint's Holographic Glitter Paint. Yeah, it's been painted over a black surface. In fact, it's a rubber floor mat. That's what the mat looked like before it was painted, and that's what it looks like with the holographic glitter paint. So with holographic glitter effect, the sparkles all change color with any movement. It doesn't really pick it up in the video, the changing color of every particle, but that's what gives it a very unique effect. If I move it around a bit, I'm holding it vertically now, so it's fine to paint up against walls. It's a very unique product. It can be applied onto most surface types because it's super adhesion, so it can be applied onto other paints, but it can also be applied directly to plastic and directly to non-corroding metals without a primer. Suitable for interior and exterior use. You actually have it in two products. We call the one Holographic Glitter Max and the other one Holographic Glitter 50. The Glitter Max, which is this one, just has a bit more density of sparkle than the Glitter 50. A very unique product, a lovely effect. If you compare the surface before it was painted to the surface after it's painted, you'll see what I mean.